Hey guys, we're doing a package unit today, and this is the curb adapter because the new one fits different on the old one. There he goes. You see the guys up there? They'll set it down because it's a new footprint versus the old one. In directions, there's a crane, a couple of our trucks, another one. You can see the unit on the back of the truck there. Call us for our AC heat and refrigeration needs. We offer 10-year warranty on parts, 10-year warranty on labor, and 10-year financing available as well, okay? So 512-448-0532, 512-448-0532. Find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.